Hello anyone, welcome to my channel. I'm finally getting another video up after a long gap. I've been pretty slack with the videos since having a newborn, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. This video is going to be an unboxing of a new gel collection that I have received from Tatiana and the team over at Gelicious Nail Co. If you follow me on Instagram, my profile name is AussieNails88 over there as well. You'll see that I tag Gelicious Nail Co a lot in most of my nail pictures, as it's predominantly my gel brand as you see there. But they have sent me the new collection, which I believe is the first ever one that Tatiana has come out with since she's taken over the business. I haven't done a lot of research on this because I wanted to surprise myself with the colours. I've only seen sneak peeks of them posting about it on Instagram, but I've tried to avoid it for the most part of what they are, so I get a bit of a surprise. But I will get to opening and we will see what's inside. They look beautiful. Bonnie and Clyde in particular is absolutely gorgeous. You'll see when I swatch. Amazing colours. The first colour here is a beautiful baby blue called Love is Love. I think this is to do with the legalising gay marriage in Australia, which when it came to my household, I definitely voted yes. Next up is We Swiped Right, which is a beautiful pinky peachy nude. This one has shimmers in it and is a really opaque colour. Then next we have Bonnie and Clyde. This one is my favourite out of all of the new ones. Gold, shimmer, glitter, sparkly, beautiful, really opaque as well. This one is Notting Hill, and this one's a sheer glass-like pink. This would be perfect for places that you're not typically supposed to have nails on. This one would be a beautiful natural colour. Next we have Our Stars Aligned, and this one's like a taupey greyish toned colour. Another nice nude, definitely a staple in the natural nail colour selection. Then we have Stand By Me, which is a darker, this one's a taupey as well, but more in the mauve brownish side. This one's gorgeous too, but a lot darker than the other one. Then we will have Je t'aime, I think is how you pronounce it, which is French for I love you. This one's another really sheer one. Definitely another nude style, really soft and subtle. This one's gorgeous as well. And then the last one, which is Fiancé, spelt like Beyonce, which is a beautiful glittery gold with pink and rose gold shimmers to it. This one's absolutely gorgeous as well. I've decided I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover again while I'm swatching the colours instead of add music and stuff, just because I want to explain the brand a little bit. This brand is a 30-second cure formula, which I absolutely love. I much prefer shorter cure times because I don't get much time to sit at the table. It does have the peel off formula where you can put this on, cure it, wear it, and then soak your hands in hot water, as hot as you can, and nick a corner and peel it off. Now, I've personally never taken my entire set off like this. I have attempted it, but I don't really use it for that because I top coat and it's over acrylics and I'm filing anyway. I tend to just file mine off. Maybe I should do that for a video if anybody's interested in seeing the peel off method. I've never had an issue with mine peeling and I'm in hot water all the time. Clearly, I swear by the brand with over 70 bottles in my collection. It's much loved. I'm a beginner. I am by no means qualified nail technician, and I find this extremely easy to use. I have no issues. I've always worn mine longer than the recommended time that it lasts, and I've never had chipping issues either on my toes or over my acrylic. I'll just quickly add, they are currently $29 a bottle. Buy 3, get 1 free, and free shipping over $100 on their website. I will obviously link everything down below. Anyway, so that is the new 8 colours that they have in the We Fell in Love collection. They're all really soft, I feel like subtle, beautiful colours. That's them with a second coat on. I will go in with my Ultra Glaze top coat from Gelicious. Quickly mention they also do have an Ultra Matte top coat. And then you'll see the finished result. Obviously, I love the brand. Can't say enough good things about it. All of these colours are absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see a design I end up coming up with using these, pop on over to my Instagram for when I post it on there.